Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Zoe's stage outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. Let me just save this color real quick. Okay. Which one is it? This one? Okay. Sorry. Let me just remove everything. You don't need VIP except if you want the fan, but you can use other fans that are not VIP. So let me just remove everything real quick except for that. Okay. So I made adjustments just on the hair and the detail. So color this hair black in only bangs. It's this one, by the way. Position DY 0.53 and scale it to 0.44. Go to updos and use this hair and just black for the buns. And then I think I used this top, this one from the currency item, this one here, with everything turned off. So color the first one white, the second one that gold color, and then I also used this witch set jacket in white in light silk. And let's do gold for that part. I don't know if you can see it anyways later. Go to codes and get this shirt in top only in that color, and I think I did light silk on that. And then for the top, I think used this. I'm not sure. Let me put that on. In white in light silk, yeah, and that turtleneck. Then for this area, I used the necklace from the currency item, this one. Colored the first one white, second white, third white, fourth this gold color for B4811F. And then it should be the same. I don't know why it changes, just the gold color for the rest. Position DY 0.33, Z 0.32, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.56. I'm also going to grab this choker as well in that color in silk. And I'm going to grab this in silk in that color as well. Next, for the skirt, I'm going to grab this one in white in light silk. Then I'm just going to color it the same with light silk here, that gold color. And I'm also going to grab this one in that same color. For the shoes, I'm just going to use these boots in white, in light silk, and then in silk in that gold color, then in that gold color for the laces. If you want the fan, I'm just going to get this one. Grab this pattern. Where is it? Oh, this one. For the second and the first toggle, and then the rest just that gold color. And that's Zoe for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!